Hi fellas, Ben back again. Puncher kit. Sorry about the poor lighting, but that's the best that I could do. Puncher kit. This has both the front and the rear tube, and then the tire levers, some valves, spare valves, air valves, and then what else does it have? Yeah, I mean related goods. There'll be a day when I'll cover this. I'll go through the contents of this particular pouch, but we'll keep that for another day. Today is about it's a quick run through on this particular product. I've been wanting to get this for a really long time. I mean, the funny thing is that I searched the entire online retailing platforms for something like a rubber strap that could hold on to this, or that would hold this in place nice and sturdy, and I just did not get something satisfactory. I've already gotten multiple kinds of tie down straps. Nothing had the right amount of tension to hold this in place through all the off-road rides that I do. So this whole damn thing almost always sparing one rear tube. I had just the front tube and the goods in my backpack, and you were looking at an easy 1.5 kg to added to my backpack, and that to the backpack while you're on off-road terrain is a lot of weight. So cutting the whole story short, got myself these fellas. They are giant loop pronghorn straps. Crazy simple design, fantastic thought, and man oh man, I've never really held rubber straps that are more stronger than this in my hands. I've never in all these years have I held something as strong as this. This cannot be just rubber. This is rubber and a lot of other materials together, but all said and done, this is some crazy strong straps, rubber straps. So just a simple thing, a buckle, and running through the buckle will be these holes, loops, and it's just like your belt. Pretty simple to put to hold this in place. Let me just get this done and get back to you guys. Yeah, tying it down like that. I mean, it couldn't be more easier, but you'll be amazed at how sturdy this thing is. Hello. Yep, so that was it. Just run the straps, and that holds things in place. And if you look at this moves the entire bike, and that's how sturdy this thing is, and kind of gels in with the aesthetics as well. So yeah, if you don't have a place to kind of strap it through, I mean, I have a rear rack, so it's easy to strap this through the rear rack and hold the puncher kit in place. But if you want to mount this on the rear rack, you can do that. If you want to mount this on the stock Himalayan rear rack, you can do that. It's just a rubber belt, as simple as that. Very nicely engineered. Just look at that. Look at how sturdy this thing is. Definitely not going anywhere. And this has tubes and tire irons and everything, so I don't have to worry about things kind of ripping through the fabric. This is definitely going to stay in place. Very good product from Giant Loop, and Giant Loop is like a luggage manufacturer that's very well known and a very high reputation in the West. American brand, I believe. It should be American. Yeah, made in USA. And well, there's a lot of goods that these fellas make out there in the West, just because they've been into the adventure riding scene for a really long time, and like us, we're just picking up. Yeah, and hence they have a lot of dedicated products. Yeah, you do have to spend a lot of money for this. For two rubber straps, you're looking at 1800 Indian rupees, and that's a lot of money for just two rubber straps. But these rubber straps are unlike any other kind of strap that I have tried and tested and failed. Every single one fails. And this is just the right size. You get this in 3 different sizes: 18, 25 and 32 inches. And the 18 inches seem to work just fine for me and my use. I would say from experience, this is just well, the most versatile size would be a 25 inch. A 25 inch will help you mount bags, much bigger bags than this. but the 18-inch would be right and apt for something a little more smaller, like a tail pack, a water dry bag, which is 5 liters or 10 liters at best capacity. 10 liters would be a little too much, 5 liters, and things like that. So this was what I was looking for a long time, just to keep this on the motorcycle and not have this sitting in my backpack. And got myself the best product out there: giant loop pronghorn straps. Crazy, 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 literally the best rubber strap that I've ever held in my hands, experienced. Look at that, just look at that. Well, if this helped, quick video, if this helped, it helped, and you guys can go and get it. I'll include the purchase link in the description. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.